Number 10 says, find the probability that you were dealt a 7 or an 8. So let's look at the rule for OR. For events that are mutually exclusive, the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. So we just need to add the two probabilities. For events that are not mutually exclusive, the probability that it's A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So this minus probability of A and B, what this is doing is it's subtracting the overlap, because if we don't subtract it, we would be counting the overlap twice, and we don't want to do that. So on number 10, a 7, there are 4 cards that are 7, plus an 8, there are 4 8s. So this is 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52. And that's equal to 8 over 52, which reduces to 2 over 13. Number 11 says a red 7 or a black 8. So a red 7, there are 2 of those, and a black 8, there are 2 of those. So this is equal to 4 over 52, which reduces to 1 over 13. So both 10 and 11 were looking at mutually exclusive events. So we didn't need to worry about subtracting any overlap.